The topic of our lesson today is the Lotus effect. In front of you, there's dark blue folders. They are student's guide with instruction for our work today. The first short article or paragraph of these instructions is connected with significance of the lotus plants for scientists. If we want to know the microscopic structure of this leaf, it is not enough just to see, like in a figure 1a, that the surface of leaf looks like a forest. In a deeper microscopic level, this structure is much more interesting. So, open on page 2 and let's read the second paragraph. The nanoscale layers of lotus leaf structure. I will ask some of you to demonstrate this experiment, to put the small needle on the top of the water surface, and let's observe what will happen. Let's try now. Don't breathe.
It has to be very carefully placed because if we shake the glass cup or throw it, it will sink.
Magic.
Come to see. The metal needle is so dense than water, but it floats on the top without sinking.
So the surface tension, right?
Yes, the reason for the floating needle is so-called surface tension of water.
Yeah, and all the circles represents the water molecules, and the arrows represents the intermolecular attraction of
the molecules.
The forces, yes.
So, on the top of the surface, these molecules, they have free energy, which is the reason for the so-called surface tension of water. And treat activity 3, please. Put some water on a small bottle, but do not fill it. Then fill the rest of the water with olive oil. Observe what happens. Touch the olive oil with your bare hands, then wash them with water only, and then wash them with soap and water. Observe the difference. Okay, stop. We have cabbage and lettuce here. Don't you solve it? How you can see the two liquids stay separate. Now, one of you, no, both of you, please touch the oil. Don't worry, the oil is very good and very healthy for your hand skin. Okay, yes, and put them on your skin, like me. Yes. Okay. You two will try to wash its hands, but only with water. Help me. No. Show in front of the class. Your hands is still dirty. They're with oil everywhere. So now water, but this soap. In the second case, again we wash the hands, but not only with water, but with water and soap.
American soap.
Now, better or not?
Yeah.
Now is better. Okay. Back again on the page 4 and read for the scientific explanation about the action of soap molecules. In front of you, different type of leaves. You can read the instruction. Your task will be to try to make wet the surface of these plants. Explore the different substances and their attitude to water.
Let me see.
We have one more activity, activity number 4. I will ask the girls to help me and to use these two substances. Let's see how they work. With anti-fog, second, without. Everywhere. And now, let's wait a few minutes to be dry, and after this, we will try to wet this type of treated material. And we put some water on this glass. Maybe it is not it. You see the glass, the water go out from the glass, but the effect here is after the drying the glass, and in this situation the glass will stay without fog. It is be very useful in the car glass or some optical devices. For them it's very important to be always dry and clear. Now the effect is much better. Can you see? Yes. The water stay in the form of drops, but not on the whole surface of the glass. And in the last few minutes, I will ask you to fill some worksheet for the conclusion of our work today.